We shall continue with yesterday's topic, that is building a regular expression from a finite state machine using state elimination method. So here I will show you some different cases where I had shown in note in previous class, that is when you have phi, epsilon, what are the different cases that you need to consider. Okay. So we shall solve this problem now. So this Q naught itself is the final state and then the start state. So I have Q3, so I don't have any transitions from Q3 that reaches back to Q naught. So you know that Q3 is a dead state. So since Q3 is a trap state, I need to eliminate Q3 first. So since Q3 is a trap state, eliminate Q3. So directly delete Q3. So when I am deleting Q3, I am left out with the fine FSM like this. So I have Q naught, I have Q1, so I have Q2 here, the transition 0 and then 1. Okay. So after deleting the trap state, my FSM looks like this. Now we shall start deleting the intermediate nodes. So first I will delete this particular intermediate node Q1. So eliminate intermediate node Q1. So when I eliminate intermediate node Q1, my FSM will look like this. So when I delete this, I am left out with a transition here, a loop, that is Q0 to Q1, Q1 to Q0, 0, 1. So here I have start Q0. So I have a loop here. So I have 0, 1. Okay, I have 0, 1. So this Q2, I'll write it as it is. So I have Q2 here. So I have a transition 0, I have a transition 1. I have one more intermediate node Q2, so I will delete intermediate node Q2 now. So eliminate Q2. So when I eliminate Q2 here, what am I left out with? I am left out with, so Q0 to Q2, Q2 to Q0. I have a loop here with respect to, so first I have 1, then I have 0. Don't change the order. So first I have 1 and then I have 0. That is, I am left out with Q0, which itself is a starting state and then a final state. So I have a loop here 0, 1. After eliminating this, I have a loop here as 1, 0. Okay, so it looks something like this. Now I have eliminated all my intermediate nodes. Okay, all my intermediate nodes. So we shall write the regular expression. So this itself is the start state and the final state. So my regular expression is Q0. I have a loop here 0, 1. So I have a loop with one more possibilities, that is 1, 0. So either I can have 0, 1 or I can have 1, 0. So 0, 1 or 1, 0. Since it is a loop, 0 or more occurrences. Okay, so this is a regular expression for this particular FSM given. So we shall solve the next type of problem. So how is this FSM different from previous problems? So you can notice that here I have two different final states. Q0 is also a final state, Q1 is also a final state. So how to write a regular expression when you have more than one final state? So since it is a state elimination method, so once again those procedures are same. So if you have a trap state, eliminate it. If you have any intermediate state, eliminate it. So here I have Q2, which is a trap state. So since Q2 is a trap state, I will eliminate Q2. Eliminate Q2. So what is this Q2? Q2 is a trap state. So when I eliminate this, how will this look like? So I will delete this completely. So I am left out with Q naught 0, 1 and then Q1. Okay. So this is my FSM now. So which is my intermediate state here? Q naught is a final state, a starting state, and Q naught itself is a final state. One more case is Q naught is a starting state and Q1 is a final state. So when I have more than one final state, I have to consider one state as a final state at a time. That is, so right now I will consider Q1 as a final state. I'll consider Q1 as a final state. So when I consider Q1 as a final state, so this Q naught will no longer be a final state. Okay. So I'm just considering Q1 as a final state here. Okay. Now I don't have any intermediate nodes. So directly write the regular expression for this. So what is this? This is 1. Okay, so directly write the regular expression. So what is the regular expression here? I have 1 or 0 or more occurrences of A followed by 1 followed by 0 or more occurrences of 1. That is, I have 0 star, 1 and then 1 star. Okay, 0 star, 1 and then 1 star. I am done with one case. Next, here I considered Q1 as a final state. Now I will consider Q naught as a final state. Okay. So consider Q naught as a final state. So I'll consider Q naught as a final state. So here it is Q naught 0, 1. This will not be a final state now, it will look like this. So when I consider only Q naught as a final state, what about this Q1? So you know that accepting state should come here. I don't have any connectivity here. It means that for this FSM, Q1 will be the trap state. Okay, so for this FSM, Q1 will be the trap state. So what I will do, I will eliminate Q1. Okay, since it is a trap state, I will eliminate Q1. So when I eliminate Q1, I am left out with a FSM like this. Okay, I am left out with the FSM like this. So what is this? This itself is the starting state. This itself is the final state. I have a loop that is 0 with 0 or more occurrences. So 0 star. So I had two cases. So for one case I got this as a regular expression. For the second case I got this as a regular expression. Now I have to combine these two things. So when I combine it, my regular expression is for the given FSM is this one. 0 star, 1, 1 star or 0 star. Just combine first case and then the second case. Okay, so this is a regular expression. So this is the method to solve when you have more than one final state. The next problem. So once again here I have two final state. So what about this 3? It goes to final state. So this is not a trap state. I will eliminate one node at a time. So first I will eliminate 3 here. So eliminate intermediate node 3. So when I eliminate intermediate node 3, what happens? So I have a path like this. That is A star and then B. So I am left out with, so I have 1 and then 2 So this is A, this B remains as it is. I have one more path from 2 to 1 and it is A star B, that is A star B. So here you can notice that I have a transition from 1 to 2 and I have two different transitions from 2 to 1, once again from 2 to 1. So I have two different transitions, so I will combine these two. So either it will be B or it will be A star B. So I'll combine it and write. So FSM looks like this. So 1, 2, so I have A, so here I have B, or I'll have A star B, okay, either B or A star B. So now I have a FSM with no intermediate nodes, but I have two final states, so I will consider one state as a final state at a time. So first I'll consider one as a final state. Consider one as a final state, or you can even consider two as a final state. It is left to you. So 2 is not a final state now. So I have a transition here A and then B plus A star B. Okay, A star B here. So here you can notice it is of which form. So here I have a transition from 1 to 2, then I have a transition from 2 to 1. So it is of this particular form. Okay, this form. So I will write this. So I will write it here itself. So that is, I have R, then R1 S star, R2 whole star, R1 and then S star. Okay, R1 and then S star. So here you can notice that this is R and here it is S. I don't have R and I don't have S. Okay, so directly, if you don't have S directly, you can take it as 5. So here, okay, so just make a note. So in this problem, okay, so I have a transition from 1 to 2 and I have a transition from 2 to 1. But here 1 is a final state. Okay, 1 is a final state, 2 is not a final state. So you can notice that here this is the final state. So here 1 is a final state. So what happens? This 2 becomes the intermediate node now. Okay, 2 is the intermediate node. So what I will do? I will eliminate 2. Okay, so don't apply this because this is not a final state. Eliminate 2, which is the intermediate node. So eliminate 2. So when I eliminate 2, I am left out with 1. So I have a path here 1 to 2 and then 2 to 1. So I have a loop. So what do I have in loop? Either I have A, or one more case is I have B, I have A, okay, A followed by B plus A star B, that is A So this is a loop. So I will write the regular expression for this directly now. So what is the regular expression here? The regular expression is A, okay, B or A star B, okay, B or A star B, since it is a loop, whole star, okay, 0 or more occurrences of this. So next I considered 1 as a final state. Next I will consider 2 as a final state here. Consider 2 as a final state. So when I consider 2 as a final state, it looks like this. I have a FSM like this. Now you can notice that I have a path from 1 to 2, then 2 to 1, and then 2 is a final state, so which is of this particular form. Okay, it is of this form now. Now we shall apply this here and then we shall solve this. Okay, we shall find a regular expression for this first. So what is R? So this is R actually. Do I have anything here? I don't have any loop. So what is R? R is nothing but 5. What is R1? R1 is this. R1 is this, that is A. Next it is S star. What is S? I don't have any loop here, so it is 5. That is 5 star. Then R2. So what is R2? R2 is this one. That is B plus A star B. Okay. So this is my R2. Then whole star. And then R1 S star. So what is R1 here? R1 is A. R1 is A and then S star. What is S star? S, I don't have anything here. So it is 5 star. So you have a regular expression here. So you cannot write this directly as a regular expression. You need to solve this. Okay, you need to solve this. So first we shall check what is this 5 star. So I had given a note here in previous class. So 5 star. So what do you mean by 5 star? 5 star is nothing but epsilon. So if you have 5 star, it means that it is epsilon. So first we shall substitute this. Next we shall check for other cases. Okay, 5 star is epsilon. So this I'll write it as it is 5 plus A. 5 star is nothing but epsilon. So I'll write this as it is B A star B whole star A. 5 star is nothing but epsilon. Next you have epsilon here. What happens? Concatenate this thing. What is that? Epsilon. Epsilon into regular expression. So if you have epsilon regular expression, it is nothing but regular expression itself. Okay, epsilon regular expression is nothing but regular expression. So here this is a regular expression and epsilon is regular expression itself. So it is 5. So A B plus A star B whole star and then A. Okay. Next I have 5 plus regular expression. So what is 5 plus regular expression? 5 plus regular expression is nothing but regular expression itself. So 5 plus regular expression is nothing but regular expression. That is A B plus A star B whole star A. So considering 1 as the final state, I got this as a regular expression. Considering 2 as a final state, I got this as a regular expression. So either this case or this case. So your solution will be either this one copy it as it is, or it will be this one. Okay. So this is your regular expression. So next problem. So Q0, Q3 is the final state. I have Q2 which is the intermediate state. I will eliminate this. So eliminate Q2. So when I eliminate Q2, I don't have this. So you can notice that you have two different paths. So one path is like this, from Q1 to Q2, Q2 to Q1. You have one loop like this. One more path is from Q0 to Q2 and Q2 to Q1, that is BA. So you have two different paths. So we shall write this first with respect to Q2. So when you eliminate Q2, you are left out with Q0, Q1, Q3. So this A and one more is this one. that is BA, and one more is this loop. Loop is BA, and then this Q3. So here I have B, here I have A. Next here I have two transitions from Q0 to Q1 with respect to A and BA. So I'll simplify this and write that is Q0, Q1. So here either A or BA, then I have a loop with respect to BA, and then I have Q3. So this is B and this is A. Next I have three states where Q1 is the intermediate state. So we shall eliminate Q1. So when I eliminate Q1, I have a path like this, Q0 to Q1, a loop, and then Q3. I have one more path like this, Q3 to Q1, a loop, and then once again come back to Q3. So after eliminating Q1, it is Q0. I have Q3. So I have a transition here, that is A plus BA. I have a loop here, that is BA star, and then B. Next is this one, a loop here. So what is this loop? I have A, and then I have BA star, and then I have B. Okay. So I have removed all the intermediate nodes. Now I have two states and I have two different final states. So what I will do is, first I will consider Q3 as a final state. Consider Q3 as a final state. So when I consider Q3 as a final state, it looks like this. That is Q0, A, B, A, B, A star, and then B. So I have Q3, A, B, A star, B. Okay. So just a starting state and then the final state. So directly write the regular expression. That is A, B, A, B, A star, B. Okay. Followed by this one. That is A, B, A star, so this since this is a loop, star. Okay, this is the regular expression. Next, consider Q0 as a final state. So when I consider Q0 as a final state, how will this look like? Q0 is a final state. So I have a transition to Q3. Q3 is not a final state here now. Star B, and here it is A, B, A star, B. So right now I don't have a transition back to final state. So this becomes a trap state. Eliminate Q3. So eliminate Q3. So when I eliminate Q3, I am left out only with Q0. Okay, so I have only Q0. So when you have only Q0, so what will be the regular expression? So I told here, so when you have only Q0, the regular expression is just epsilon. So I have two cases. So this is one regular expression, one more. So considering Q3, I will be getting this. Consider Q0, I will be getting this. So my regular expression will be star. So either this one or it will be epsilon. So what happens when you have epsilon? So what is epsilon or regular expression? Epsilon or regular expression is epsilon or regular expression itself. So regular expression or epsilon is the same. So this is the regular expression for this particular FSM. So I have covered all the different cases here. Okay, so regarding everything altogether 11 problems I have solved, which covers all the cases according to the given condition. Okay, so go through this, solve it in your class notes. I will be giving you similar problems, so refer this and solve that one also.